Welcome back, students. And this is 120 days optimal plan for prelims 2023, day 3. So today we're going to discuss the next 5 questions in PYQ. So now let's start with the first question. I give you 1 minute time. Just try this question, then I will explain the concept, shortcuts and tricks. Okay, so let's start. A, B and C are 3 places such that there are 3 different roads from A to B, 4 different roads from B to C and 3 different roads from A to C. In how many different ways can one travel from A to C using these roads? There is nothing special in this concept. Actually what they said, we need to think and give the answer. Okay, this is just like a reasoning question. So from A to B, let's take A. From A to B, there are how many routes are there? Totally 3. 3 different roads from A to B. So let's take from A, there are 3 different roads, route to B. Okay, right. Then from B to C, there are 4 different roads. 4 different roads from B to C. So if C is here, okay, so this is one road and this is another way, right? And this is one road and this is one road. So there are totally 4 different routes. Now, there is one more thing, that is A to C. From A to C, how many roads are there? 3 different roads from A to C. Okay, so from A to C, I can take this is one road, 1, and this is one more thing, 2. Right, and there is one more road. I can draw like this. So totally 3 roads are there. Okay, that's it. So in how many different ways can one travel from A to C using these roads? This is what the question. A to C. First of all, direct road, yellow lines. Direct A to C. A to C, direct road is 3. Okay, then A to B, then B to C. This is also the way we can use. So from A to B we had 3 different ways and B to C we had 4 different ways. So 3 times 4, that is 12. So answer is 12 plus 3, that is 15. So there is 15 ways we can start from A and destination to B. C, right? 15 is the right answer. Next question. I give you 1 minute time. Start doing this. Okay, time up. So this question we can solve in 2 different ways. I will explain both the ways. One is in equation format, and the second one is using Venn diagram. Okay, right. So first, in a group of persons traveling in a bus, 6 persons can speak Tamil, 15 can speak Hindi, and 6 can speak Gujarati. First, I am going to write Tamil. Tamil going to speak by how many persons? 6. Next, Hindi. Hindi speak by 15. And Gujarati. So Gujarati is 6. Right. Now Tamil is okay. I need to find only Tamil, not with 2 languages or 3 languages. So I need to find how many of them are speak only Tamil language. Right. So only Tamil is, out of 6, 2 persons speak 2 languages. So I can take Hindi Tamil also, and 1 person all the 3. Right. So only Tamil is only 3 persons. Is it clear? Next to only Hindi. So only Hindi. Here totally 15 persons are there. Out of 15, look at this, 2 persons, 2 language. I can take the 2 languages Tamil and Hindi. You can take Tamil and Hindi, or Tamil and Gujarati, or Hindi and Gujarati, whatever you want. So here I fix that 15, and this 2 is Tamil and Hindi person. Okay, and again minus 1, it will be 12. Then only Gujarati. So only Gujarati. So here, out of 6 persons, 2 language speakers is over. Tamil and Hindi. We take Tamil and Hindi, right? So 2 language spoken is over. So I am going to take 3 language. All the 3 language spoken is 1 person can speak all the 3 language. So I just subtract that 1. So it was 5. Just add these numbers, 3 plus 12 plus 5. That is your answer. Okay, so 12 plus 3 is 15. 15, no, comes 20. No, something. 3 plus, yeah, correct. So it was 20, right? This is 3 plus 12 plus 5 is 20. This 20 is nothing but only 1 language speakers. Okay. Next, 2 language speakers is 2, right? And all the 3 language speakers is 1. So our answer will be 23. This is what the right answer. So I find only 1 language speaker, and 2 language speaker, 3 language speakers are already given. So just add the number. So this is the equational way. So how to get answer for this? Now I am going to explain the same thing with Venn diagram. So how to get the answer using Venn diagram? Look at this. Just take a circle. Right. Imagine this is a 3 circles. Right. Now all the 3 subject. So one is Tamil, then Hindi, then Gujarati. All the 3 language speaker is only 1. Okay, 2 language speaker is 2. Right, 2 language, I already told you that we can take Tamil and Hindi. So the remaining, this is 0. Okay, now totally there are 6 persons or Tamil speakers. So from 6, I need to subtract all these numbers. What are all the numbers are inside the circle? I need to subtract this. Then only I get only Tamil. If I want only Tamil, I need to subtract. So 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 0. So it will be 3. This is only Tamil. And Hindi speakers is 15. Okay. So just subtract 15. What are all the numbers inside this Hindi line, Hindi circle? 15 minus 2 minus 1. Okay. So what is that? 12. Now just look at this. Gujarati is 6. What are all the numbers inside this circle? Only 1. Okay, so 6 minus 1 is 5. Just add all the numbers inside the 3 circles, you will get the answer. That's it. This is the way of getting answer using Venn diagram. So 3, then 2, plus 12, plus 0, plus 1, plus this 5. If you add these numbers, you will get 23. That's it. Right? Let's move to the next question. 1 minute time. Start doing this fast. Okay. So, I don't know how many of you got option D as the answer. So, if you did a small mistake, you will get option D. But option D is not right answer. If anybody got this answer, please come up with the exactly what happening there. Okay. Look at this question. The average monthly income of a person in a certain family for 5 persons is 1000. So, 5 persons monthly income is 1000. What will be the monthly average income of a person in the same family if the income of one person increased by 12,000? Here clearly they said it was for an year, but everything is given in monthly, correct? So very simple. Just I need to find 12,000 per year. So just divide it by 12 because I am going to convert an yearly number to month. Okay, so every month it was only 1000. Okay, so this 1000 going to split for 5 person. The same one of the person in the 5, not additional one person. So 1000 divided by 5 is 200. So already what is the average? Initial average is 1000. Now plus 200. So the new average value is 1200. That's what the right answer, option A. So if anyone got option D, that is not right. That is for year. So convert that into month and find out the answer. That's it. That is the twist in this question. Next, this takes a little bit different. So I'll give you 1 minute time. Just read the question clearly. I will explain this. Start. Okay. But this is not easy and the question also not very clear. So we need to combine the both in streams, time, speed and distance concepts in this single question. So I will explain this. Most of the students while writing 2022 exam, they not getting answer for this question. Okay, so let me explain this clearly with a diagram. It take little bit 1 or 2 minutes extra. So please listen guys. So our boat is here. Okay, right. Now there is a river. River is running. I need to cross this river. Okay, so this is one side and this is another side. Okay, river is running like this. So what they said is they found a shortest possible path. Okay, so shortest possible path means, see, Actually, from this place, this is shortest possible means always diagonal. Okay, if you going to one place to another place like this, instead of that, diagonal is the shortest path. Whenever, okay, in mensuration we seen this word shortest path, okay, or direct path. So instead of coming here and going there, okay, I am going to find the shortest path like this, okay. And obviously when water is going like this, our boat also will move according to the water side, right? So this is what the concept. So this let's take points, okay, be clear what I am telling, then only it will be easy to understand. So this is A, let's take this is B and this is C, right? So the width of the river, so this is the width of river, right? And so this is the total width. Width is given, yes, the river of width is 1 kilometer. So this is 1 kilometer. This distance is 1 kilometer. Correct? Next, BC is distance covered by river in 15 minutes. Is it right? Distance covered by river. That means from this point to this point. This is the distance D covered by river in 15 minutes. So from here, this point to this point, this distance takes 15 minutes for crossing, right? And this diagonal line says that distance covered by boat, right? Distance covered by boat in 15 minutes. So I hope you guys understand that what is this triangle. Okay, so the shortest path is given, that is distance covered by boat. So distance covered by river was in 15 minutes and the river's width is 1 kilometer. So I take all the angles. So from this we are going to find the answer. So please listen. First I am going to take speed of the river. Okay. Let's take speed of the river. That is equal to, let's take x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour. Then distance covered by the boat. This is not sum, guys. I just explaining the sentence. Okay, that is why it looks like very big. So just I am explaining with the words. Okay, distance covered by boat. That is equal to 15 minutes. 15 minutes I can write it 1 by 4 hour. Okay. Right. So what is the distance formula? Distance is equal to speed into time. Keep this in mind. This is only one formula we are going to use. Okay. So 5 into, that means 5 kilometer per hour is boat speed. 5 kilometer into 1 by 4. 5 kilometer speed, it moves for 15 minutes. Okay. So that is equal to 1.25 kilometer. That is the distance. Distance equal to speed into time. Okay. Kilometer. So this is the distance of boat. Distance of boat. Okay. Now, distance of, where is distance of boat? This is AC. So AC is equal to 1.25 kilometer. We found that. Okay. Then width of the river AB. Width of the river AB is equal to what? 1 kilometer. So 2 AC and AB distance, I got it. Okay, now we can use the Pythagoras theorem here. Look at this. Let's take 1 square. That means what is Pythagoras theorem? A square plus B square is equal to diagonal D square. This is the formula, right? Or else we can here we can change this see, AB square, in our diagram it was AB. AB square plus BC square, that is equal to AC square. Correct? So I know AB, that is 1 kilometer, that is 1 square, plus we don't know BC square, that is equal to AC is what? 1.25 square. Just find out the values. Instead of taking 1.25 square, take 125 square. 125 into 125, you can get the value, right? So I can write BC square is equal to 1.5625 minus 1. 1 square is 1 and 1.25 square is 1.5625. Okay, so BC square is equal to 0.5625 and BC is equal to root of that is 0.75 kilometer. Okay, so 0.75 kilometer is what? BC, distance covered by river. Okay, now we will find the answer. Last thing, look at this. So 0.75 kilometers run distance by time in 15 minutes, or I can write 1 by 4. I can write 1 by 4. Yes. So 4 into, what is the value? 0.75 times 4. Correct? That is the kilometer per hour speed. So 0.75 into 4 is what? 3 kilometer per hour. This is what the answer, 3. I hope you guys can able to follow what I did. It takes little bit time. This question is not able to complete within 1 minute. It takes time, but we need to adjust with the other questions. Okay, other questions we need to complete it faster, so that we can take 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes for completing this questions. I hope you guys understand this clearly. If you had any doubt, just give it in the comment box. I can see your things, doubts. Right, next question, let's start. Complete this. Okay, this is very simple, guys. I want to just explain this question with shortcut. In our classes, I had explained it clearly. So now just directly I can give the answer. When 3 coins are tossed together, 3 coins means I need to first write the sample space and what we want. That is the formula. Correct? So sample space, we can write this in shortcut. That is, 1 coin had 2 answers. 3 coins means 2 power 3. Probability that all the coins have the same face up. Okay, so same face means totally we had 3 coins. I need to get 3 coins had same face. 3C3. That's it. 3C3 is 1. Okay, 2 power 3 is 8. 1 by 8 is the answer. You no need to write the sample space. Head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head. So that is unnecessarily we need to write. So directly we can use the combination and the shortcut, we can get the answer. So these concepts I had explained clearly in our class. So that's it. I hope you guys understand all the 5 questions clearly. Today every questions are a little bit different topics. And prelims Optima 2023. So we had conducted so many test series and materials. 120 days study plan, 1.5 years Optima current affairs notes, 12 months prelims, power play compilation, monthly current affairs test. So everything you can get. If you want to know all the details, you can take this number, Telegram number, and contact. All the very best, guys. Meet you in the next session with different of 5 questions. Thank you. Take care.